focus, viewers, and get you the big breaking news coming in. As far as Annamalai is concerned, is he taking the Rajya Sabha route? That's the question. There's buzz over Annamalai's next role, the Rajya Sabha seat for Annamalai next. There's been speculation and a lot of speculation at that which has been going on. One Rajya Sabha seat is vacant in Andhra, and now Chandrababu Naidu is in the national capital. There's a key meeting at 2 p.m. between Chandrababu Naidu and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The decision on the Rajya Sabha seat will most likely be taken after this key meeting. So all eyes on this particular meeting in the national capital between Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, and Chandrababu Naidu, because one Rajya Sabha seat, remember, remains vacant in Andhra Pradesh, and there has been a lot of speculation since the past several months whether Annamalai will be taking the Rajya Sabha route, and that speculation perhaps might see an end today with this key meeting. We'll of course have our eyes closely watching this entire crucial meeting between Amit Shah and Chandrababu Naidu. What comes of that meeting? My colleague Pragya is joining us with more on this. Pragya, all eyes on that 2 p.m. meeting between Chandrababu Naidu and Amit Shah. What more details do you have? What can we expect as far as Annamalai's Rajya Sabha role is concerned?
Well, we are given to understand that Chandrababu Naidu is set to seal the deal on this decision today. While there is a meeting with the top brass, Chandrababu Naidu is set to meet Mr. Amit Shah in the afternoon around 2 o'clock is what we are given to understand. This is a tentative time. This can change as well. But Chandrababu Naidu is the national capital, and we are given to understand that this move is likely to all cement the ties between the TDP and BJP. There are many contenders for this Rajya Sabha seat, but we are given to understand that Mr. K. Annamalai is one of the contenders. There is also another name of Smriti Irani that is going around about this. But it looks like that TDP and BJP are going to decide and finalize the candidate for this particular Rajya Sabha seat. This Rajya Sabha seat was vacated by YSRCP Mr. Vijay Sai Reddy, and the tenure was supposed to end around June 2028. Now the TDP is going to have a candidate on this Rajya Sabha seat, and we are given to understand from the TDP sources and BJP sources as well that there is going to be a decision on with the BJP top brass on decision on who is going to be fielded from this particular seat.
All right. Pragya, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Of course, we'll have to see what comes off that 2 p.m. meeting. We'll keep getting you the latest on that. But right now, it's a wrap on this broadcast. Up next is my colleague Meghna Deka with all the news and updates from India and across the world.